Jamaica needs new international airports. Montego Bay cannot cope with any more visitor numbers. All the improvements at Montego Bay Airport is to cope with the visitors that they already have. We need new airports to take the strain off Montego Bay and to accommodate the new visitors that we're planning to have in the future. Jamaica is losing out to other Caribbean countries. They are adding more visitors every month and every year than Jamaica is adding. We are stalling. We need new airports. Now, greetings to my fellow diasporans and those in Jamaica and all around the world who love Jamaica and the Jamaican people and care about us. Greetings to you this morning. Now, today, I want to talk about the Montego Bay International Airport and to see if it is hindering or helping tourism growth in Jamaica. Now, we know that the airport have won many accolades over the years for being one of the best airports in Jamaica. And that's okay, and that's okay, that's all right. But at this point, is it really helping tourism growth in Jamaica? Because tourism has not grown in Jamaica since 2017. In fact, between the end of 2017 and the end of this year, 2023, tourism has declined by 150,000 people numbers. Now, you may ask, how come the tourism minister keep boasting every year about tourism increase and tourism growth in Jamaica? Well, that's because, it's people are spending more money in Jamaica. It's not because of the numbers of visitors coming to Jamaica each year. Now, so as I said, visitor numbers to Jamaica at the end of 2023 is less than it was at the end of 2017. One of the obstacles that visitors faces when they visit Jamaica is the stress of waiting for over 2 hours before they can be cleared through the Montego Bay Airport. During the busy periods of the day, of course. But there's no point saying that it is only during the busy period of the day that people have to wait for hours. The point is that too many visitors are having to wait for too long at the airport. What Jamaica needs is more international airports to take the pressure off Montego Bay Airport. The government seems to acknowledge this, but they don't seem to be able to work out what suitable solution can be found. The new international airports that they are developing to take the pressure off Montego Bay Airport is not fit for purpose because they are building the runways too short. American Airlines had to cancel their flights last year to the newly developed Ian Fleming's Airport because the runway was too short. It took the government 1 year to rectify the problem, but they only extend the runway so much. Hence, the airport still cannot take the larger planes that can land at Montego Bay Airport. The government is planning to make the same mistake in Negril as they did at the Ian Fleming's Airport. They are planning to build the runway at Negril to the minimum length of an international airport, it will appear. Then extend the runway bit by bit as time goes along. Now, if the government is not brave enough to build a full-length runway at a location with one of the top 10 beaches in the whole world, what does that mean for the rest of the country? This is maybe one of the reasons why tourism numbers has not increased since 2017. This government does not believe in tourism. They only boast about what was already established before 2016. Tourism has only increased by 10% since 2016 to the end of 2023. And all a 10% increase came in 2017. Then between the end of 2017 and the end of this year, 2023, tourism has decreased slightly, as I said earlier, by 150,000 visitors. So at the end of 2017, there was some 4.28 million visitors to Jamaica each year. At the end of this year, 2023, which is next week, there will be 4.13 million visitors. I'll try and put the graph in the section, in my comment section earlier. Okay, now the only increase in tourism which this current tourism minister can boast about is that visitors are spending more money each year than they spent the year before. Something that has nothing to do with the current minister of tourism. People are spending more because of inflation and wage increase in their home country. Hence, they have more money to spend. And that's why I'm in full support of the Prime Minister's plan to develop 3 brand new international airports in Jamaica, namely the Negril Airport, as I mentioned earlier, and the Vernam Field Airport, I think that's in Clarendon, and the Holland Bamboo Airport in St. Elizabeth. These are already airstrips, so they're going to be develop them into full-fledged international airports. I'm in support of that. Prime Minister, go for it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.